Environmental challenges affect countries worldwide, but the nature of these challenges can vary drastically between developed and developing regions. Today, we'll explore these differences and consider what's being done to protect our planet's biodiversity and how both developed and developing countries face challenges in protecting it.
In developing regions, biodiversity faces threats from habitat destruction and poaching. For example, in the Amazon rainforest, deforestation for agricultural expansion clears vast areas of critical habitat.
Economic necessity often outweighs conservation efforts, endangering unique ecosystems. For example, the process of mining is necessary for economic gain, however is awful for the environment as it can cause habitat loss of biodiversity, erosion, and a contamination of surface and groundwater due to the chemicals being used.
While developed countries often invest in conservation through protected national parks and wildlife reserves, other factors continue to impact biodiversity. Urban sprawl, where cities and suburbs expand into surrounding natural areas, has a major impact on wildlife and biodiversity. As communities grow, forests, wetlands, and open spaces are increasingly divided by roads, neighborhoods, and commercial areas, creating significant barriers for wildlife.
Imported resource demands continue to impact biodiversity both locally and globally. An example of this is the importation of palm oil. Palm oil is used for many different reasons, like food, cosmetics, and in biofuel, which increases the demand. However, in order to produce more palm oil, many large areas of rainforest in Malaysia and Indonesia have been torn down to make palm oil plantations.
While developed countries are able to put more effort into conservation, they are also actively harming the developing countries' chances at protecting the environment, as their economic needs often lead to habitat and ecosystem destruction in developing countries in order to fill those needs.